Hello, let's go to the our class about dictionaries. So, hello Evelyn, let's begin now. Uh, so, we will begin with a dictionary. And do you remember that I told you about a box? Uh, and I told you that uh, a variable is like a box, and dictionary is not so different. Dictionary is like a box too, because we have tuples in the last class, and we make this comparison with the box, and the box here is the same. You can put some elements here like colors, like name of course, like name of person. So let's put here my name Edson. Let's put here Mary, it's another name, Mary. And let's put here John. So we have three names that you have different persons here that we use to put in our variable. Are names that we put in our box that is a variable and is a kind of dictionary too. So you have something that we saw in the last class. Didn't change a lot. So we don't need to be in panic so that is the same. So we put elements inside that, but the difference in the dictionary that you have information about this name here. In Edson, we can put information about Edson and say that he has 39 years old and is a good age to me. And you have here to Mary and tell that she has 45. Or John, we can tell him that he has 67 is a good age too. But John and Mary and Edson, they have different ages, and you can find this name in the time that you want. So you have a box and you can research inside the box in the time that you want. You can put color here like Edson, like Mary, like John, to stay very colorful. And you can see our variable, that is the box that we have everything inside, and everything it's okay, no problem. It's not so different from the list, from the other variables, and is the same box, but you put things here and you can find things in the time that you want. Let's go to the code. The code is the same. You have the name of the box and the variable, and you have the elements that you put inside of it, like the name Edson, 32 years, Mary, 23, and John, 32. I put different numbers here. And the difference of dictionary that you can for to try to find these elements here, doing a list like I did before. Let's go to our code. So in our codes, in our platform, in PyCharm, you can see that we can create our box here that we call box, that our variable, and you need brackets, and you put here the name Edson, and you put here age 39. After, you create another person like Mary and put another age like 35, and after you create John and you put the information like 65. So here you have our dictionary. You can print the dictionary just doing that. Okay, you can see our information here like Edson 39, Mary 35, and John 65. So if we need to research for one name, a specific name, we just do that. I put age, and after I put here a name, and I use here Edson, and I close here, and I have the age of Edson. Or if I want something about Mary, I use that, and I find the age of Mary. But we have another way to create a kind of research to find information inside our dictionary. We can use the for, and you can put for age in age. So we are looking for inside age. So here just age. You can put here the word that you want. You can for people, no problem. In age, you use here the print, and you put here people. So you can have a list of names that you have inside the age. Way to try to find another way to try to find the elements inside your box is using for. You can create a name like we did before, and you put in age. So for people in age, you can print here like we did before, age, and after you can put people here, and you can have the age of each person with his age. So the variables the variable is more than we saw today. Variables dictionary is more than we saw today. We can see, but for us is enough. I think that we don't need more information and about dictionary to go ahead. After we can go back and learn more about dictionary. Dictionary is very huge. Is a big quantity of information, because we can use dictionary for a lot of things. You can put a lot of information here, and sometimes strings with a big quantity of information, but to us now is enough to learn that, and we go ahead, and after we go back in dictionary to learn more. So thank you very much, Evelyn. Thank you for attention. Thank you for messages, and goodbye. Goodbye.